Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is day 11 and today's topic is all about what will it take. So this is day 11 in our video series on manifesting miracles. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Priestess LaMeel, and this is our series on manifesting miracles. Step by step, 21 days, how to make this shit happen for you. Like, real world, no, I'm not even gonna say unicorns and fairies because I'm into all that shit. But the truth is, there's a lot of other grimy bullshit that we have to work through. There's a lot of life shit that we have not yet manifested or transmuted into light. There is mirror work that has to be done. And so part of what I do is teach you how to do it on a real level, right? I'm a mom of 8. I've got 2 grandbabies, 1 on the way, and shit happens and life gets real and things are needed and shit doesn't go the way we plan. So how do you manifest miracles? How do you continue to manifest? How do you continue to transmute the fucked up shit into something beautiful? And so this series is giving you a little insight into how to do that. I also offer a lot of courses on manifesting magic spirituality over on LaMeel.com. I have an amazing alignment boss coaching group, and that is amazing if you are a parent and you're kind of wanting, you know, more in-depth information, particularly personal information that I like to share with my coffee group. You can always buy me a cup of coffee, you know, if you're loving this energy, because I appreciate that. And you can join the coffee chats. And in the coffee chats, I talk about, you know, being a parent, being a grandparent, being in relationships, and how this manifesting and this type of spirituality and this type of ascending affects those things, and how I deal with that in those particular areas of my life. We also have the LaMeel Lifestyle Club that's going to be opening up in April, and our Goddess Ascension program. You can also join my Goddess Circle and Sacred Circle, and you know, be a part of some amazing women that are all about being authentically themselves, and spiritual and sensual and sexual and dynamic, and really living their truth. And if that is something that you're interested in, then you're going to want to meet these women, you're going to want to learn with these women, you're going to want to train with these women, because these women are kick-ass. There's no superficial bullshit. We all meditate. Some of us meditate drinking coffee, some of us meditate me hanging upside down in the yoga swing. Some of us have to meditate in the damn car because there's so much to be done while they're trying to create and manifest their dream lifestyle. So all that said, in order to reach me or to get more information, to get more information about those programs, all that information is going to be listed below. All the links are there. If you'd like to ask me questions, please feel free to leave comments here. You can send messages on Instagram. I am most active there, mostly in LaMeel Magic, but also on at LaMeel. Again, all that is down below. Today we're talking about what is it going to take, and this is going to surprise you, I think. What does it take is a technique, right? So if this is the no ma'am, not here. If this is the first video that you've watched, I'm gonna ask you to stop and go back to day 1. Okay, stop with this. No ma'am. So that, because these lessons build, right? And this is day 11, so you're gonna want to get caught up that way. if you've been riding the wave, then you know that we're talking about how to manifest miracles. And sometimes it's not just about holding the space. So sometimes you're holding that space. Sometimes you have that belief, but you don't know what to do. How do you get that inspired action so that you know what your part is? You know what you need to do to allow for this, oh, baby, so that you can allow for this miracle that you're asking for to show up, okay? And it is a technique that is called What Will It Take? And it is simply the process of asking. It's just the way. It's the way. No, you're going to go with mommy. It's the way that you ask.
Mommy.
So,
Mommy.
you want to go?
Mommy.
You have to be quiet. So the way that you ask is, what will it take? So whatever your key phrase is, right? God, universe, source, spirit, angels, ancestors. What will it take? All day long, every day. What will it take? And I've done other videos about what will it take, but what will it take? What is it going to take for me to, I think I've been using a 10K or 5K example. What will it take for me to receive this? What will it take for this to work out? What will it take for me to be happy? What will it take for me to be at the vibration? And now here's a twist. I used to ask, what will it take? So if I pick a what will it take for me to manifest 5K in 2 weeks, then, mama, no. Okay. Every day. 52 times a day. 52 is like it's a magic number. What will it take? What will it take for me to receive $5,000 in the next 2 weeks? Universe, what will it take? It doesn't have to be all at once. It can be 10 times here, 10 times there, whatever, and it needs a total 52 in the course of a day. But universe, what is it going to take for me to receive 5K in the next 2 weeks? Universe, spirit, angels, I need your help. Support me, show me. What is it going to take? Right? The next level to that is, what energy do I need to be? What vibration do I need to be? Where do I need to be? Show me that. Like, this is what I want. What energy level, what vibrational level do I need to be at? You have to be still with grandma. What vibrational level do I need to be at to receive whatever it is that you're asking? So I feel like she shook me crooked. So if I'm a little, I'm sorry, but that's the next level. What vibrational level do I need to be? So I ask about, because of my practice and how many years I have into this, I do ask, like, what vibration do I need to be? And then it's like, well, what does that vibration feel like? And how do I get to that vibration? And what are the things that support that vibrational level? And so that's where I go. But when you start, what will it take? Sometimes if what will it take and what vibration is too much for you, because everybody comes, excuse you, everybody, quiet. Everybody comes from, you start where you are, and where you are, it's okay, right? So when what will it take seems like a lot, you can ask, or you can say, wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice if I got $5,000? Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice? I love this. Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice? And as long as you're asking, here you go, baby, wouldn't it be nice, over and over again, right? Leave that open so she can go. Yes, it will be, and it will change your vibration. So that's the key. So you've got 3 questions for today, and it is, What will it take? What vibrational energy do I need to be? And wouldn't it be nice if those things will help to catapult you into manifesting whatever it is that you're trying to manifest in your life. If you enjoyed this message, this teaching, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and I will see you in tomorrow's video, which is all about creating your daily practice.